a ForrestJS application, as any application, needs some settings to run, needs some environment. This is stuff that is given at the boot time from whoever is starting the application. Could be like database connection string is the most obvious of the scenarios, but it could be anything. It's important that we validate this set of informations when the application starts, just to figure out if everything that should be set is set, if the type is correct, whatever. And that's because it's important to fail fast. It's important for an application to be able to throw an exception and to terminate itself if any of the precondition is not met, because that makes it easier to discover those problems and to debug it. Last thing you want is that something fails when a super hidden, not so much used endpoint is hit by a request, and in that specific piece of code the precondition fails. No, you want this precondition to fail when the application starts. Well, that is basically the whole goal of validating an environment, and valid is one of the possible choices to do that in Node.js world.